TCL just announced their 3 series and their 4 series budget TVs that start at $200. They all, as look guys, this is crazy. These models are going to offer you 4K HDR at that price, at $200. In fact, the largest model is 75-inch and the 4 series. That is priced at $800, and it's going to give you high dynamic range. Like, this is amazing what is going on in the display world today. You're getting great performance, great everything. Like, you're getting great features, like, for less, you understand. It is so crazy what you're getting. So pretty much the 4 series is compatible with both HDR10 HLG formats that is typically found on your services that you get from Netflix, even your Amazon Prime Video. You get these things there. Now look, the thing here is that the 3 series is 720p. That one is very, very cheap, very cheap, or even dirt cheap. It's priced at $130. That one is a 720p for the 32-inch model. Then around $200 will get you the 1080p model. That's if that is what you need. But the truth is, for what you're getting, this is really, really good. This is really, really interesting, because you're getting very good you're getting everything that you probably get on TVs that cost over $1,000. You're getting it here. You're getting HDMI ARC. You can also it can also pass through Atmos surround sound. It supports Dolby Digital Plus. Dolby Digital Plus is that new Dolby format that passes Atmos. So with Dolby Digital Plus audio, it can pass Atmos from your Netflix and all that to your AV receiver. So it's a very, very good display. TCL has been one of the, if not the best value company for displays in 2020, and even as far back as 2017 till now. They have been making excellent products. People love them. They have their fans. I'm a fan of TCL, and it's crazy to say this because I'm not really a big fan of Chinese affordable brands, but TCL has proven that you can make amazing products for a lower price. In fact, they became, I think, the second world's best-selling TV by their price performance that they put for their stuff. And it is nice, you understand. It's nice. This TV, you also get Android, you get a remote, you get Android OS on it, so you can be able to pretty much you understand, get apps on the display if you want to. There is voice assistant on it as well, so you get to pretty much control the device, the TV, if you need to command it to do something for you. This TV has decent speakers. There is also Bluetooth on it, so you can connect it to your favorite wireless headphone for decent audio listening in the evening when you don't want to bother anybody. So this is a very good announcement. This is really, really good. So the thing here is that I will leave most of the article. If you really want to read the specs, everything about the specs, and you want to know exactly what you are getting it with, I think you would really like, especially if you are into streaming your content off the display. I think this TV would really be one for you. And I really appreciate what I'm seeing from TCL. It's really, really nice. Availability is going to be at the end of the year, but it's it's looking very nice. At least it's not something that I see they don't really have a competition. In fact, they are competing with themselves at this moment. So it's really nice. It's really nice. I applaud TCL for making a $200 set. In fact, just making an $800 75-inch TV that supports HDR 10 is amazing. So I just congratulate them, and that is just it. Be sure to follow us here on our YouTube channel, subscribe, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.